Taking action to protect us during electric vehicle fires. These are just some of the scenes that we have covered, and that is this year alone, vehicles bursting into flames, becoming dangerous really for anyone nearby. As more people do get behind the wheel of these electric vehicles, our first responders are they prepared actually when an emergency does happen?
All City Towing holding a seminar this week to equip first responders with more knowledge and skills to manage the risks and challenges of EV fires. ABC 15's Amelia Fabiano stopped by to see how the community can stay safe. Good morning, Amelia.
Hey, good morning. And that's exactly why All City Towing wanted to host this event for our first responders, is to keep us all safe and help them out as we enter into this sort of uncharted territory where we're getting more and more electric vehicles out on our roads. So you might remember All City Towing was actually the company that responded when that Tesla crashed into a Scottsdale building and then caught fire back in February. When they were towing the vehicle away, a short time later, it caught fire again on the tow truck. They had to ditch that car right in the middle of the road to keep that fire from spreading. Then we also saw that fire at the Nikola headquarters in Phoenix last month. A row of electric semi-trucks caught fire there. Firefighters staying on scene for hours to make sure the batteries cooled properly and didn't reignite. These are tricky fires to deal with. The GM of All City Towing told me at their seminar yesterday, with the rapid growth of the EV vehicle market, they feel it's crucial for first responders to be well prepared to manage these types of incidents.
We've got knowledge or know of knowledge that we believe that they could use, that could save lives, could make them more safe, then we want to impart that on them. These batteries, once they become compromised, whether it's through a collision or through an incendiary event, typically speaking, it's very difficult, if not impossible, to put them out. Generally speaking, they have to burn completely out.
And although that event in particular yesterday was for first responders only, that GM tells me the best piece of advice he can give all of us who, God forbid, get involved in an EV crash, the best thing you can do, get out of the vehicle and get as far away from the situation as you can. Reporting live this morning, Amelia Fabiano, ABC 15, Arizona.
Yeah, they're still considerably new, right? We continue to see more EVs out there on the roadway. So talking about it, knowing what to do in these cases of emergencies could save lives. Amelia, thank you.